What can we do? 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 What can we do?
Give us back those drives, you evil downtime. What is
Thwart! No one can throw evil downtime.
Did you hear that, Ed? Repair Zone Man's on his way to put an end to you.
Repair Zone Man? Who is this Repair Zone Man?
Am I supposed to be doing the thing?
Yep.
Wait, can I come out here a little bit?
Exchange program where he takes Repair Zone Man gets his Repair Zone Man gets people back up and running through his quick turnaround on repairs. Or the industry's leading rebuilt part. Or it makes it available. He exchanges your failed part and repairs that part and makes it a Repair Zone Man gets people back up and running through his quick turnaround on repairs. Yes!
That might help. There you go.
Henry, will you grab Elise's arm and wave for her? Yep, both of them. Good job. Now wave your arm too. Yay!
Whenever you're ready.
Yep.
Repair Zone Man?
Um,
Oh, I don't think it's gonna be as easy.
So remember, the next time your machine fails, give us a call. Just remember, spay and neuter your pets, damn it. We shouldn't have to.